How to connect a domain to Instantly.ai. Step 1. From your Instantly dashboard, click on Settings and then go to Domains. This is where you all add and manage domains. Step 2. Click Add Domain and type in your domain name, for example, your company.com. Step 3. Instantly will now give you DNS records to add, such as SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. These are added inside your domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Step 4. Once you've added the records, go back to Instantly and click Verify. It may take a few minutes or hours for any changes, update depending on your registrar. Step 5. After verification, your domain is connected and ready for sending. You can now assign it to email accounts and start campaigns with higher deliverability. So that's it.